It's a great privilege for me to welcome you here to this, our 70th birthday in the chapel. We've got the bishop here, the bishop of the Methodist Church, and we've got alumni who were here 70 years ago. The reason for this particular opening is that in 1979, a gentleman by the name of Paul Blomkamp started working on the windows of St. Stithians College. It took him 11 years to complete these windows, but the story behind it is unique and powerful. Paul Blomkamp was clinically dead in hospital, and his near-death experience, when he was brought back to life, he had these visions of incredible light and energy, and his life then was dedicated as an artist to trying to recreate in art that light and energy. So what you've just done today, you've walked into the kingdom of God, you've had the fruit of the Spirit shine down, and the idea is you will move out today and forevermore to take that fruit of the Spirit and share it and spread it, because that was the message that he took from his near-death experience.